This is Automotive Mechanics. Welcome back to the channel. The mechanic in our shop sent a picture of the customer's tire to them, and it looked like this. The customer says their Citroen steering wheel wobbles while driving. Here's how we tested it. The customer said I played EDM once, and now my car won't stop acting like it's at a rave. Out of the thousands of windshields our mechanics have replaced, they've never found a spare key under the cowl before. Don't forget to like and subscribe. The customer mentioned he's been hearing a strange noise from the engine for the last few days. Maybe it's just the engine trying to sing its favorite song. The mechanic said, don't take a Highlander rock crawling. It'll cost you a lot of money. It's almost that time of year again, so the mechanic shop put up this holiday sign because nothing says festive like getting your brakes checked. Customer states I had to take out the speedometer on my Volvo 850 because of the odometer. I ignored the instructions and removed way too many screws, but hey, the circuit board is pretty cool. Fed vehicles are in for repairs. The government requires emission control devices on our vehicles but gives themselves a free pass to use deleted diesel trucks. Seems fair, right? The mechanic says this snap-on roll cap toaster just rolled into the kitchen. The wife is not happy. Our mechanic was handed this glove by the boss on his first day at work. Talk about a handy welcome. Customer states I lied to my wife about getting oil changes. It's been 25,000 miles without one. We even had a prepaid plan. All I had to do was bring it in. Mechanic states just rolled into the shop to find it all gone. Lock it up. Happy almost 2025 to me. Guess I'll be taking up a new hobby like security surveillance. Our mechanic won the work raffle and took home this popcorn machine. Guess he will be snacking while we fix cars. It's a juicy one. The customer says he changes his own oil every 2,000 miles and wonders why he's got a lifter tick. Maybe it's time to check that oil quality. Taste the rainbow. Mechanic did a radiator flush on a 20-year-old truck, and look at this result, so many bottles of colorful gunk. The customer said the skid steer was making a funny noise. Well, this is what we found in his car. Looks like it might have been a bit too adventurous. The customer said, the interior smells like mold surprise. The spare tire is literally floating in there. Guess it decided to take a swim. Our mechanic went abroad and spotted a Crown Victoria in the wild. It's pretty rare to see one of these outside the US. Guess it's living its best life. When the gas can gets towards the end of its life, it sheds its first layer of skin to reveal a fresh new layer underneath. Nature's way of recycling? Looks like assembly didn't plug something in all the way. Can't tell you how many times we have had to push a plug in to fix a Ford with only 30 miles on it. Blessed be the customers who leave their lug nut key out before bringing their car in for service. It makes the mechanic's job so much easier. Napa pulled a sneaky on us. We were scratching our heads about why the car wouldn't start after some electrical repairs. Surprise. The mechanic states good enough to reuse. But the next guy? Yeah, he's definitely going to hate you for this one. The customer dropped off their car for a fuel tank replacement this morning. It's time for some serious tanking up. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. The customer said his wife took the car for an alignment. He got home from work and saw this, definitely not what he expected. If you enjoyed this, be sure to check out my other videos. See you next time.